Okay, so here is yet another question that I've been asked a bunch of times, and this is a kind of an obvious question because this is sort of the strategy that I use personally: how to create a sort of faceless YouTube channel to promote your content, your courses, your digital downloads, etc. I hate videos. I hate watching videos. I hate seeing myself on video. I hate learning via video. I'm a much more I much prefer audio based content, courses, audiobooks, etc. So that's kind of the mode that I do most of my recording in as well. So I'll tell you what I do, and I'm going to show you really quickly a new um, course community that we're building actually using Framer and a really pretty much all audio based content. So it's kind of like a masterclass sort of setup. This is a work in progress. It's not completely ready, but it should be ready in the next week or so, where all these audios that I record using Transistor, which is the podcast publishing platform that we use, are automatically uploaded to YouTube by dint of the settings in Transistor. So I'm going to show you exactly how I do this. But the steps are, I mean, it's not really how I do this. It's how they've set it up so that someone like myself can do this very quickly and very easily. And essentially, all you're going to do is when you set up your Transistor account, you uh, in the integration setting, you allow Transistor to manage, I put this in quotes, manage your YouTube channel, which just basically gives them the ability to publish all of the audio based podcasts that you record directly to YouTube. And that's pretty much how I've not recorded this one here. This one I'm actually recording my screen, but generally I upload the audio to Transistor and just let them auto publish it to our various YouTube channels. And I have a bunch. I mean, you're watching this on our Tiny Book About or our Mindful Marketplace YouTube channels, but I have other projects as well with other people, and it works the same way. And it's just like magic. I mean, literally, you're recording the audio, you're publishing it as a podcast. I even create private audios so that folks can't, they're not, I don't want these audios out there in the podcasting world, so to speak. I just want them to be course content for people in our course communities who are consuming that content and have the extra option of also watching that or listening to that content on YouTube. And it makes creating, these sorts of sites, right? So this is, a template that is built on Framer that makes this really, really easy. You can see this is a video doing exactly that, right? So you have these very kind of, you're looking at a template with some modifications made by me, but this is really just a great way of teaching a tiny course, right? As you can see, each one of these videos has a up next piece to it. Again, a great way of using Framer in concert or in conjunction with something like Gumroad or Lemon Squeezy, and it just essentially allows you to redirect folks post purchase to your community, right? So as you can see here on the main page, Tiny Product Lab, this will go back to our Gumroad store where people are getting all these digital downloads in addition to this, video masterclass style course community where they can watch videos predicated on the product that they purchased or the group that they're in. Okie doke. So again, the strategy essentially is using something like Transistor. I don't know if other uh, podcasting platforms do the same thing, but they make it very easy. I primarily use Transistor for uh, private podcasts, for courses that are only available to folks who have a link to those courses. Really fantastic for that, but it's also a great way of turning your audios into a faceless YouTube channel, which I know a lot of folks in our community are certainly interested in doing. Teach what you know, do what you love, wake up the world with your work. If you're interested in joining us in 2025 for our tiny product lab, you get a lot of great products, done for you products, a lot of content, templates, tutorials, etc. from me over the course of the next year. Thanks so much. I appreciate you listening, and have a wonderful day.